Okay, so since we're on the topic of airbrushes, I should just give you a quick demo on how to clean an airbrush when you use Tamiya paint and isopropyl alcohol. Okay, number one, you do not need to strip your airbrush, okay? Some people imply that. Maybe that is for their lacquer paints, like in their experience. Like, I know that for sure. I don't shoot lacquers or solvent-based paints or enamels anymore. Very rarely do I ever do that. And if I do, I have another airbrush for that purpose. I only shoot Tamiya isopropyl paint through this airbrush, and I've done so for over 20 years, and I've never had to replace a tip, even though it's bent back here, or any seals, okay? So this is how I clean an airbrush, and it's really easy, and I only strip down this airbrush maybe once every 6 months. That's it, okay? So here's some dark olive paint, right? Okay? So I want to change color. I just dump the paint back in. I just flush it out in a box of cardboard or paper or whatever, or your spray booth, right? Take a little bit of isopropyl, fill the cup, put your finger over the top and back flush like this, and then just shoot the paint through like that. Maybe run another bottle through. This is why isopropyl is used, because it's dirt cheap, right? And then what I'll do is I'll take a stiff bristle brush and I'll just stab around to clean the cup. And I'll just clean the tip like this a bit, right? Shoot some more isopropyl so it's clear. And then I'll just pull the tip like this, watch. Pull the tip like this, take a little cloth with some isopropyl, wipe it down, okay? Tip back in. Clear as day. The airbrush is clean. If you want, you can dip your rag in here and give it a twist at the end of your paint session. That's all you do. And then you put it away. And you're good to go for the next time, right? This idea or myth that you need to strip your airbrush down every time after a paint session is just simply not true.